everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In today's video, we'll understand how to implement input type equals to file, allowing the user to upload a file whenever they are submitting any forms which is included in your website. So let's get started. First, we would be needing a blueprint of our HTML document. So that's where we'll be using the shortcut provided by VS Code. Now, modifying the title of the document as in Forms in HTML, Part 8. In this particular file, we'll be understanding how to create input type equals to file, as in creating a button wherein the user can choose a file from their own computer or their own workspace. So for us to first build up the form, we would need a form tag. Once the form tag is ready, next is we will be creating an input type element. So we'll write it as input type equals to file. Let us give the ID here as resume and name equals to resume again. Now we are done with this file creation. So I'll save this file. Let us go onto our browser screen to check how our file looks like. So going back to our browser screen, and this is what our actual output is gonna look like. So if you click on choose a file, it is gonna allow you to select a bunch of information or a bunch of different types of files from your desktop or from your downloads or from your computer, which you can select it here. And if I select any file here, let's say day2.html, it is gonna be selected. And now if you can see here, you will see day2.html as in uploaded as a file here. So if you have a submit button for the particular form, if you click on it, this particular file is going to be submitted along with the form. I hope this video was useful. In the next video, we'll take a practical example of defining a particular form and developing it all together at the same time. So until then, stay tuned and happy coding.